Installing apps from the Play Store on a Galaxy S25 Ultra allows you to download and access a variety of applications for productivity, entertainment, communication, and more. This is how it's done. To begin, tap on the Home button to return to the home screen. From there, tap on the Play Store to open it. Once inside, you can browse apps by tapping on the Apps tab at the bottom, or choose Games if you're looking for a new game to install. If this is your first time using the Play Store, you may be prompted to sign in with your Google account. You can explore different sections such as recommended and popular apps, or use the search bar to find a specific app. Let's say you want to install Block Blast. Simply tap on it, then tap Install, and the download will begin. After the installation, you can open the app directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or in this case Play since we installed a game, or you can find it in your app drawer by swiping up from the home screen. Scroll through your apps until you see the newly installed one, then tap to launch it. And that's it. Now you know how to download and install apps on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. We hope this guide has been helpful. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.